You would think for someone who does facial massage every day, at least once, sometimes twice a day, the results wouldn't be as noticeable, but here it is. Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our highly requested face roller for double chin follow along tutorial. You will notice instant visible results without surgery right after the first time, and even more when you do this consistently. Let's begin. First, we recommend prepping your clean skin with some sort of lubrication to provide a nice smooth glide for your face roller without tugging your skin. For me, I prep my skin with organic jojoba oil mixed with water. You can use your favorite facial oil, serum, or moisturizer. With a clean face roller, we're going to work up starting from our chest area to our lower cheek and then work back down for the final lymphatic drainage. So we're going to start from our chest area here, right below our collarbone, like so. We're going to keep rolling here, and these little stones provide nice acupressure benefits as you're rolling as well. And we're going to work down our shoulder here. It feels so amazing in these areas, like so. And then coming to the side here and back down through our chest, like so. And now we'll switch. Same thing here on the other side, like so. And down our shoulder, like so. Oops. Like so. And through the side here, this area. And back down through the chest, like so. Release. Now we will do the side of our neck here, and it feels so amazing. You can be more vigorous here, like so. Just going back and forth. This feels so amazing here. And release. We'll do the other side now. Same thing here. You can be more vigorous here, like so. I hope you feel nice and relaxed here. And release. Now we will work through the side of the neck here, not the center. Like so. You can push your hair back, like so. Like this. Gently back and forth. Listen to your body here. Like so. And now we will switch to the other side. Same thing here. You can move your hair like so, and then gently go back and forth, like so. This. Release. Now we will do the center of our neck here. For this, you want to be really gentle here, like this. Like so. And through the under the chin here, the center, like this. Release. Now we will do under our chin here, providing that nice under chin prevention, like so. Going back and forth, allowing all the circulation here and the drainage. We'll switch. Like so. Release. And now we will work this area here. This really helps shape up our jawline so it connects all the way to our ears, like this. Like so. Keep going back and forth here. Great for tension if you carry in your jaw. Switch, we'll do the other side here. Same thing, like so. Really feeling your body and relaxing here. Release. Now we will work through the jawline here, the line, like so. It's really giving that sculpting definition on the photos and in videos, in person. We'll do the other side here, like so. Giving that nice definition. Release. Now we're going to do along our lower half of the face here, like this. Everything is connected here. And this also is beneficial for marionette lines as well. We'll do the other side. Same thing. Like so. And release. We're going to finish off with the final lymphatic drainage here. It's the same thing, like so. You can be more vigorous here. Switch. Now down through our chest here. And our shoulders. Like so. And finally with the armpits here, like so. This is so amazing for the lymphatic drainage as well. Other side, same thing here. Release. We're going to gently place our hands like this and stretch like so. Other side. And through the center here. And back down. Release and roll your shoulders back and down a few times here. Releasing any tension you're carrying. Well, as always, your posture awareness is key to preventing double chin. So throughout the day, make sure to bring awareness to your posture. Keep your body nice, long, and straight. And if you're looking at your phone, your computer, or your laptop, try to keep it more eye level with your neck nice and long, your chin level to the ground instead of hunching forward here. And when you combine your posture awareness with this face roller massage for double chin, you will notice positive results. And the more consistent you are, the more results you will see. And because I know you will ask, you can find all of my current favorite products, including this luxury face roller dupe on our Amazon store in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful, and you want to see more, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, and check out our membership on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching and following along. Take care and stay hydrated, my beauties. Bye bye.